Vidya, let's get you the updates again that are now coming in as the fuel prices that have now been hiked once again. This is the third increase in the rate since the 15th of May, when the state-owned oil company started passing on the elevated energy prices arising from the West Asia conflict, and that is now happening in a staggered approach. So now we are looking at prices that were hiked to rupees 3 per litre on the 15th of May. And then we are looking at another hike that happened on the 19th of May, and today being the 23rd of May, we are now looking at the update that is now coming in of another price hike, and right in the middle of the West Asian tensions there. So we're looking at again of the price hike, which is under rupee 1 per litre. And this is the third hike this month as the government seeks to offset losses that are stemming in from the elevated crude oil prices amid the Iran conflict. So we are looking at in Delhi, at least the petrol prices that has been increased by 87 paise, 0.87. And that is now said to be around 99.51 rupees. And while diesel has seen a hike of 0.91, and this now seems to be a hike of 92.49 rupees per litre. And this is now coming across as another hike when it comes to the fuel hike that is now being consistently being raised in about a gap of 4 days. So let's connect with Dev on this. Dev, again, this morning is the time when we see that the petrol prices and diesel prices have now consistently gone up again. But this one is a hike which is under 1 rupee. So what are we getting to know on part of the commuters? There are mixed reactions mainly that have been coming in. Some are wanting that the price hike be done in one go. However, this seems to be a staggered approach that is now being undertaken by the government in announcing the hike. Dev, over to you. Live updates.
Well, yes, absolutely. As you are aware that this is the third such hike in a span of less than 2 weeks. In fact, more so specifically within 10 days, the customers are feeling the pinch. We are here at one Indian Oil petrol pump. We will also try and speak to a commuter to try and understand that how he feels the pinch. Well, while we try to get the person and also understand from them, सर हम आपसे समझना चाहेंगे कि 10 दिन के अंदर ये तीसरी बार सरकार ने पेट्रोल और डीजल के दाम बढ़ाए, क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि क्या ये महंगाई का पिंच आपको लग रहा है, महसूस कर पाए?
ऑब्वियसली लग रहा है, दिक्कतें तो हो ही रही हैं, रोज रोज रेट बढ़ाए जा रहे हैं, पर कर क्या सकते हैं, मजबूरी है, अपना काम धंधा छोड़ नहीं सकता आदमी।
सरकार ये भी कह रही है कि आप ये जो पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट है वो भी लीजिए, लेकिन सबके लिए वो पॉसिबल भी नहीं हो पाता है
ना, प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल नहीं है, हर आदमी नहीं चल सकता। मोस्टली तो पब्लिक ले ही रही है, बट कितना, वो भी तो एक लिमिट तक ले सकती है ना, उसके आगे तो वो भी नहीं ले सकती। मेट्रो में आप जाके हाल देखिए क्या हाल है, सुबह शाम आप मेट्रो में घुस नहीं सकते, इतनी पब्लिक है। तो या तो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन बढ़ाए सरकार, वो भी एकदम पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो अल्टीमेटली जोर तो हम जैसे लोगों पर पड़ रहा है। ये है कहानी।
Right. Thank you, sir. So you heard that one such person saying that he is helpless, irrespective of what the government keeps the price at, or the OMCs continue to increase the price. They are forced to buy at this price because Metro definitely is seeing higher footfall, and it is really jam-packed, not just in peak hours, but otherwise generally also. And with petrol prices crossing the 100 mark, hitting the century in cities like Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore, you can really imagine what it will be in the future days to come. In fact, the people should be embracing for further price hikes as well. However, they had somewhere been anticipating and saying that the political factor, which is where the 4 states where the elections were due to be conducted, and post the elections, the people were anticipating a price rise either way, and that is exactly what just happened. However, speaking of the stocks, the government continues to confidently maintain that there is availability, but we have a lot of LPG carriers in the form of Indian flagged vessels that have not arrived back into the country from the Strait of Hormuz. So this is the situation that we have at this point in time.
Yes, but Dave, that anticipation will still remain, because if this is the third hike in 10 days, then the people would be aware that there might be more hikes that would be coming in the days, because we still don't know how much amount is something that when it comes to these OMCs, which have been incurring massive losses. So, how much is there for them to cover up and to, give that kind of additional burden to the common man. Let's also connect with our other reporters joining us live this morning. We have Rucha connected. Rucha, of course, lots been happening in Madhya Pradesh, but we are waking up to this another news of fuel price hike that has now been reported, the third one.
Well, that is right. People of Bhopal, in fact, were not expecting this hike this morning. And let me show you the cost here. For diesel, we have 96.85 rupees. And for petrol, it is about 121 rupees here. And even now, we can see a long queue of motorbikes here at the petrol pump. Let's also try and speak with some of them, because these are some areas where not just the city people, but even in many remote villages, bikes are something that people rely on with with or less public transport. आज पेट्रोल की कीमत वापस एक बार बढ़ गई है. क्या आपको लगता है किस तरह से आपको इसका एक ज्यादा खर्चा पड़ेगा?
खर्चा तो ज़्यादा पड़ेगा मैम, क्योंकि अभी बहुत ज़्यादा रेट बढ़ रहा है. गैस भी बहुत ज़्यादा रेट बढ़ गया गैस के. क्या कर सकते हैं?
सर, आप बताइए, आपका काम जिस तरह का है, क्या आप कम पेट्रोल पे कुछ काम कर सकते हो, या फिर आप पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट यहाँ यूज़ कर सकते हो?
क्या करें, आपको लेना तो पड़ेगा काम के लिए सामान. क्या कर सकते हैं बताओ, चल रहा है, क्या कर सकते हैं, मजबूरी है, लेना ही पड़ेगा, महंगा है तो क्या, और कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
People are aware that the situation at Strait of Hormuz is what directly affecting the petrol prices. But it is also important that in remote villages, in areas like Bhopal or some outskirts, it is only the bikes or some of their own vehicles is something that they can travel from, because of the less public transport facility available here in remote villages. Now the people are forced to purchase the petrol or diesel on its higher rates, but people of Madhya Pradesh,
people have been saying that they have little to no option there, especially when it comes to the fuel price hike, that this is something that they have to accept. But we don't know if there are more coming, in the future. But in the meantime, let's get you the city-wise breakdown of the fuel price hike that we are looking at. As far as in the national capital is concerned, petrol prices are nearing the rupees 100 mark, and in Delhi that we are speaking of, as far as when it comes to the breakdown in metros, in Kolkata, this is one of the steepest hike in petrol prices, crossing 110 rupees per litre. And the biggest hit is coming in the metro cities. Mumbai petrol prices now at 108.49 rupees per litre. And diesel prices has also climbed up to above rupees 95. In Chennai, the fuel prices have gone up, and petrol now cost 105.31 rupees per litre. Diesel at 96.98 rupees per litre. And petrol diesel is now costlier in all of the metros there. Of course, this is the third hike in less than 10 days that we're looking at. So in about 10 days, Dev, what have been the consequences that we're looking at? There is strike already that has been called in by, taxi and auto drivers there. We are looking at the cost and inflation that seems to be visible, especially when it comes to basic amenities like milk. That has also gone up.
Well, yes, absolutely. First, it began with lack of gas, cooking gas supply at the start. Then we saw that people buying it at a very high price, nearly like 3 times or 4 times the actual amount which was set by the government, and how it was being sold in the black market. And then we see this, and later the cut to the current scenario, we see that prices on bread as well as milk have also been hiked. What more is left? In fact, the government needs to step in now. In fact, it is the need of the hour, because with people being so helpless, and we also saw that in the national capital a 3-day strike was there by the transporters. What will really sort of wake up the government? The government must now step in and also intervene, given the fact that it is a rapidly cascading situation, and people are saying that they are helpless, but it is only a matter of time where the strikes will get even more intense, which is when the government will probably start taking this a bit more seriously. While the government has also maintained the fact, in fact, Petroleum Ministry so far has said that the OMCs, the oil and marketing companies, have borne losses for a very long time, and only after 4 years, when the situation got out of hand, given the fact that the global crude and fuel crisis occurred in wake of the war, only then they raise their prices. So now, but with this kind of a situation where it is the third hike in a span of less than 2 weeks is definitely, alarming and a cause of concern. However, out here, if you can see the latest rates, this is what it really looks at this point in time. With diesel, 99.51. This is definitely nearly like 50 paise stopping short of hitting a century. In most of the cities such as Mumbai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Chennai, we saw that petrol crossed the 100 per litre mark, with people being so helpless. And now the summertime where it is extremely hot and people are not really able to move around in public transport. However, speaking of public transport poses a different concern out here, because nearly more than 1.5 times the actual capacity of the commuters or the footfall that has increased. The gentleman who we spoke to a few minutes ago said that we are also helpless. What can we do? In every place the metro doesn't go, and the battery or e-rickshaws is not available at any time of the night. So when they are coming back from their work, how do they even reach back home? So these are the kind of possible questions, and the government must step in now, asking the OMCs to curtail this practice and really stop. The cut-off barrier mark needs to come in now, where
so let's try and get some live voices as well. You know, Dave, it's a Saturday morning. If you can try and connect with other people, Rucha, do you as well, because we don't know if it is being anticipated that there are more hikes coming. That's going to happen in the coming days. Yes,
well, that is right. It was a surprise for all the consumers to face this. And now it is not only affecting those who are purchasing petrol or diesel for their vehicle, but it is also going to affect all the other factors. It may be the transportation of vegetables or any other things. That is also going to affect. And let's also speak with some people. Let's get some reactions. सब अरबी पेट्रोल की प्राइस बढ़ गई है, क्या आपके सामने ऑप्शन है? आप कुछ और गाड़ी यूज कर सकते हो, पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज कर सकते हो, या आपको पेट्रोल भरना ही पड़ेगा?
नहीं, पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज ही करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि अगर इस तरीके से पेट्रोल के दाम बढ़ते रहेंगे तो फिर आने वाले समय में, अभी तो 2-4 रुपए का डिफरेंस आ रहा है, फिर आने वाले समय में 10-20 रुपए का डिफरेंस आएगा, तो हमें पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज़ करना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि पेट्रोल के लिए आम आदमी बहुत परेशान हो रहा है। अभी इस समय मॉर्निंग के समय में पेट्रोल की दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन शाम को इतनी भीड़ होती है, इतना रश होता है, जिसके लिए हम ये सोचना पड़ता है कि यार हम पेट्रोल डलवाएं या फिर हम किसी से लिफ्ट लेके चले जाएं।
तो जो गांव के एरियाज है, वहाँ पे किस तरह से लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं? सब अपने अपनी गाड़ियों से ही सबको ट्रैवल करना पड़ता है, तो सबको ही पेट्रोल लेना ही पड़ेगा?
मैम, गांव का तो ऐसा है कि देखिए, गांव के छोटे छोटे कस्बों में लोगों को पेट्रोल ही यूज़ करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि वहाँ ट्रांसपोर्टिंग के लिए ज़्यादातर बसें क्या है, जो एरियाज हैं, एरियाज में डिफरेंस बहुत होता है कि 20 किलोमीटर।
Well, Rucha and Dave, please keep talking to the people over there and get their point of view on what they have to say. But this is another hike that is coming in, and this is after the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas has assured that despite rumors, India has adequate petrol and diesel supplies, and that responsible consumption and public cooperation will help ensure smooth fuel availability for everyone. In the meantime, let's shift focus and get